What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. I got some cold weather about to move in. The daytime high is still like mid to upper 50s, but I'm going to have a couple nights that are actually going to drop below 40. So I need to get the peppers dug up out of the ground and bring the peppers inside so I can overwinter them again. So I'll bring you along and show you how I'm doing it. So this was the ghost pepper, and this did really great. You can see there's a bunch of colored peppers, and there's a lot of green ones still on here. So I'm just going to harvest all the peppers first. Okay, now I gotta trim it back. So, now that I've trimmed it back a good ways, I'm gonna start digging around the outside to get the roots out. Here's the roots. I'm actually going to trim some of these roots back too. I'm going to grab the hose real quick. So, last year this was the pot that held my jalapeno, and it's not looking too hot this year. I did get like 3 flushes from it, but I'm going to plant this guy into the larger pot.
I'm just looking to get the potting soil wet in the bottom of the pot.
I'm actually even going to hit these leaves, which I typically don't like to do, but there's some spider webs. And then I'll be able to trim off the rest of this material. The point to getting the roots fairly clean is you don't put any pests that could be in the garden into the house. And I'm going to put it in the pot, and then I'll trim off the rest of these leaves.
This looks pretty extreme. However, you have to remove a good amount of the leaves because you actually want this pepper plant to go dormant for the winter.
Okay. And this typically is my go-to potting mix. I pick it up from Home Depot. What I'm looking to do is get this potting soil around those roots that I just cleaned off. So I fill it with water and give it a few shakes to start having everything settle. And then you can see the water's dripping out the bottom. So I'm going to leave this outside until a little later, and then I'll bring this into the house after it allows this water to drain out the bottom of the pot. Okay, so we got the bhut jolokia, ghost pepper, jalapenos, and red savina. This will be the second year overwintering, and this will be the jalapenos' third overwintering. So next year, this one will be 4, and these 2 will be 3. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.